Today we're talking about something really close to my heart, and that's holistic homesteading, and more specifically for this time of year, holistic gardening. Now we'll talk about what it means to us and why it matters so much, and how we are using these practices to help our bodies heal. Now, whether you're growing pots on a patio or cultivating a full homestead garden, this video is going to encourage you to take back your food and your health one seed at a time. Hey friends, welcome back to Sarah Put Simply. If you're new here, I'm so glad that you stopped by. I'm a mama of 5 and passionate about whole body wellness and home gardening. And I'm someone who believes that growing your own food can change your life for the better. So what exactly is holistic gardening, and how is it different from just growing organic veggies? So it's more than just a gardening method. It's really more of a lifestyle. Holistic gardening is about creating a living and thriving ecosystem that supports not just your plants, but your health, your family, and the land itself. It's how we grow food that's truly nutrient dense, free from synthetic pesticides, and full of life-giving minerals, because our food should be a medicine and not a mystery. So let's break it down simply. So a holistic garden doesn't just grow food, it nourishes your soil, your pollinators, and ultimately your body. It's about growing with nature and not against it. Now that means things like avoiding chemical fertilizers and pesticides, encouraging biodiversity in our plants, insects, and microbes, improving our soil health with compost and mulch, and tuning into our body and what it needs, whether that's anti-inflammatory herbs like rosemary, parsley, or basil, or mineral-rich greens like kale, spinach, or chard, or even gut-healing foods like garlic or cabbage. Now, there are so many options, and the more diversity in what you are able to grow, the better. But it's not about perfection, it's about connection when we grow food ourselves. We connect to the land, the seasons, and the rhythms that modern life often steals from us. Now, when I first started dealing with chronic health issues from like the mold toxicity that brought on my hormonal imbalances and constant fatigue, I knew that more than ever, my body needed real food. Not just any real food though, food that hadn't been sprayed, processed, or even shipped from far away. And holistic gardening gave that to me. Now here's how it supports healing. Higher nutrient content. Fresh, picked veggies contain more vitamins and enzymes. Gut health. Foods grown in rich, diverse soil support your own microbiome. And anti-inflammatory herbs. Things that we can grow, like maybe you can grow turmeric or holy basil, plants that soothe the body. Or even things like basil, rosemary, oregano, parsley, anything like that. And then mineral repletion, leafy greens and deep-rooted plants that draw minerals from the soil to nourish your cells. And even more than that, it gives me hope. I knew exactly what was in my food and what wasn't. Now, if you're watching this and feeling overwhelmed by your health or unsure where to start, friend, you are not alone. Start where you are. A pot of parsley on your porch is a good start. A tomato plant on your patio is a huge win. And every seed that you plant is a step toward reclaiming your health. You don't need to have a perfect garden. You need a purposeful one. I grow food because I want to heal. I want to teach my kids where their food comes from. I want to know that the lettuce I eat hasn't been sprayed with chemicals that I can't pronounce. It's fresh and full of nutrients, and it just tastes way better. and you deserve that too. Here are a few simple ways that you can start a nutrient-dense garden today. So focus on soil first. Start composting. Even kitchen scraps and leaves make a huge difference. Grow healing foods like garlic, ginger, lemon balm, kale, dandelion greens, or mint. Avoid synthetic sprays. Use neem oil, companion planting, or just let the bugs teach you balance. Work with nature. Observe your light, water flow, and what naturally wants to grow. You'll be amazed at how the garden teaches you and heals you.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done.
Now, if this video spoke to you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. And if you want to keep learning how to grow your own healing food, don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell so you don't miss the next video in this series. I'll be sharing how we design our garden for drainage and easy maintenance and some of the herbs that I planted this year. Remember, your garden doesn't have to be big, but your impact can be. Start where you are, plant what you can, and let nature do the rest. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.
We got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.